I think a couple of days ago we talked about Diddy's getting his jail cell raided, and they took a bunch of stuff from it. So now the judge overseeing his case ordered federal prosecutors to destroy several pages of handwritten notes that they basically seized. And he was like, look, the government should not be in possession of those 19 pages. And his lawyers were arguing, this is client, lawyer-client privilege stuff that you shouldn't have taken in the first place. But people were saying that Diddy was all smiling and super happy, in court when all this happened. They were like, yeah, he was just very happy to be there.
Well, I'm sure for Diddy, who has to, I think he's still on suicide watch. I'm not sure, but it's not like he gets to socialize. He gets to see people. I'm sure people go visit. But, just being out and about and being as confident and positive as possible, Puff, he's not going to be down on himself.
It's about the love.
Oh, he's not going to let other people see it.
Right? That part. Mm-hmm. We were talking about Van Lathan. I forget the name of his podcast. Sorry about that, Van. Good guy. He actually made something viral yesterday.
It's called Higher Learning.
Higher Learning, thank you. With regard to his belief that Trump may pardon Diddy.
This is a Fed case. Don't be surprised if Trump, in some kind of way, gets involved with the Diddy situation. Don't be surprised if the new administration thinks that there is something to be gained from either making this easy for Diddy or pardoning Diddy after the fact, commuting the sentence, if that happens.
Gosh.
I don't think it was the worst thing for Diddy at all that Trump got elected.
Well, no, it's not, because he's with like-minded people.
No, they've also known each other personally for a very long time.
That might be true, but also the things that they have been not just accused of, but, found liable for or being investigated for, he's with similarly situated people. So, of course, it's a good thing for Diddy.
She's not lying when...
That's Rachel Lindsay. Shout out to Rachel Lindsay.
Yeah, shout out to Rachel Lindsay. She's not lying when she talks about like-minded or at least similar issues. Because this Trump administration definitely has a lot of people with similar issues.
Respectfully, why did that go viral?
Because it's Trump and Diddy.
That's why.
But
a lot of people were like, wait a second, this could be possible.
But they needed Van to say, hey, you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if the pervert guy does something with a guy who's alleged to have perverted stuff who he's friends with and at least friendly with.
Right.
Probably has dirt on each other.
No, clearly nobody had thought about it or said
I can't believe that hadn't crossed. Like, to me, that's like such, good for them. Someone should get the clicks.
Yeah.
But it just seems like so obvious, no?
Hey, sometimes you got to just hit the layup.
You just lay it in.
Just shoot the shot, man.
Listen, it would be sort of interesting if it happened, but I can't say it would be shocking. Right?
Well, I think I think the shocking piece isn't whether or not it happens for me. The shocking piece is we talked about this a couple of days ago. We're living in a time when literally people who have been convicted of sexual assaults or have real egregious allegations, it's like feeling like a non-factor.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's scary for women and people, men and women who have been assaulted and are trying to figure out ways to find closure or just like living in abusive situations, right? Because if you're in an abusive situation and you're seeing all of this noise and you have even thought like, yo, I need to tell somebody, I need help, I need backup, proving it, having people support you, having a system of justice that will support you when at the highest levels and the most egregious allegations, nothing's happening. Think about that.